Here's my unboxing video of the iPad Pro 10.5, 512 gigabytes, Wi-Fi cellular. It's got a lot of good stuff. I mainly bought it to do eBay and video edit and games because I keep running out of batteries on my phone, so I sort of like need a backup for good entertainment, and I thought the iPad would be great for that. So let's open it up. The box feels really nice. It's not your normal sort of cardboard. It feels like good quality. Nice hard sharp corners. There we go, that comes out nice, lovely. I think the picture is quite interesting. This is like the sea, that's an island. This is some sort of mountain up here, and you've got this random person just standing there in the corner looking down at all this. Now to try and get it out, and it slides out nice and smooth. Oh my god, look at that. Fits so neatly in there. It's not the most graceful opening, but you can see what's in here. Because this is a cellular model, it comes with one of those pins where you install the SIM. That's probably what this is. There you go, that's the pin. It's just a chunk of card in there, nothing else. And there's your iPad. Oh my god. See, the Pro, it has the camera that sticks out there. That's a 12 megapixel camera, and it's quite impressive. Your other iPads don't have that. They're more flush in with the body of the iPad, but this is why I bought it, was to do videos and eBay. It's perfect for what I want it to do, and all that editing. You get an extra long cable, because I suppose people who do art, they spend a lot of time drawing and stuff. They need to have their iPad constantly charging because it just runs down, and that's annoying. And it has a different charge cable to your typical adult Apple thingy-bob. Goes like that. I wonder if that means it requires more power to charge. Something I have to look up. But yeah, it's quite awesome. Look. It feels kind of like, it's a little bit heavy. You know, I have little hands, but it feels sort of comfortable, if you know what I mean. I suppose you're not going to want to hold it for pictures like that, but it's certainly not going to break your arm. I would say it weighs as much as your average mug. You know, you got your cup of tea. Imagine an empty cup. That is the weight of your iPad. Thank you.